Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the final pressure in this combustion chamber. So we've got an initial pressure of 1.201 MPa and 451 degrees Celsius. It rises to 1901 degrees Celsius. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So piston, cylinder, combustion chamber. Alright, step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknowns. So initial temperature, initial pressure, final temperature, and we're trying to find the final pressure. Step 3, find the final pressure formula. So P final is equal to the temperature ratio. So the final temperature divided by the initial temperature, multiplied by the initial pressure. Step 4, we can now just plug and play. So make sure your temperature is an absolute. So add the 273 to make it Kelvin. Okay. So by multiplying this temperature ratio with the pressure, you get 3606.31 kPa. So the reason why we converted the MPa to kPa is so the units line up and match because they're all in kilo. Alright. Disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on Mac or Linux, use the appropriate version or a similar program to snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got comments, questions, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.